Okay, these wigs are about $40.
$40.
Merry Christmas, baby. Sure did treat me nice. What you gonna get for Christmas? What you gonna get that boy?
Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Janet Collection. They sent me some units to try for you guys. It has also been saying your girl got her Wawa today, but don't get it twisted. I still got that Stella for tonight. Thanks, Tammy. So I'm just hydrating because it's kind of early. And it is still Wigmas, so make sure you guys are checking the pinned comment down below to enter the giveaway. But anyway, before I get into the install, the specs, and what I think about these units straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, we have some units from Janet Collection. It's an HD 360 lace with a 13x6 frontal, but it's a bang. So I got 3 wigs in 3 colors, and we're gonna try them all today. I'm gonna install the first one with y'all, and then the second and third, it should be the same. But if I do any extra styling, I'll do that with y'all. The install should be fairly simple because it's a bang, so I shouldn't have to, you know, like hide any type of lace or hairs based on how they have them on this stock card. I'm not really like a bang type of girl. I don't really go for bangs unless it's pulled to the side like this, kind of give me a little bit forehead action so I don't feel so, you know, like closed up on my face. But you know, we're gonna see. Okay, so like I said, this is from the Janet Collection Melt series. I have tried a good amount of their melt wigs and they are actually pretty nice. That lace melts really nicely, so I'm really excited about this one. But it's a bang, so you shouldn't really have any lace to blend. We'll see about the sides. But the first one we are doing is, I wanted to say FUBU at first, for us by us, but no, this is for us, just us. This is FUJU in the color 1B. This is what her card is looking like. All these come in special colors. So pre-plucked, pre-customized natural hairline, 13x6 lace frontal, HD 360 lace, glueless install, pre-installed elastic band. That looks actually pretty decent. Let's see what Janet Collection is, you know, talking about. Considering I show a lot of wigs from those other 2 brands because they're normally fighting for, you know, attention, but Janet Collection has some hits. When they used to do that brown sugar milk color, ooh, I love that color. They stopped making it. I don't know why you did that, Janet, but that was my color. Ooh, this looks dark for a 1B. I be going for browns now, so the 1B be looking jet black for me. We're gonna style it up anyway. This is what the hair is looking like. It looks really good on top for that natural parting space. So when it says 360 lace, it's just lace around the edges. It's a 13x6 in here. Is this pre-cut? No, you gotta cut some off. This is very soft. This is how the back is looking. So you can try to do some pulling a little bit. You get 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, the adjustable straps, and the elastic band. Although this is a bang unit, I'm still gonna put some powder in my my lace part just to make sure that it's gonna be blended on the top. So I'm using my Black Radiant Soft Focus Powder in the color Creamy Bronze. This is a pressed powder. I'm just putting it all in the part in space. See how they did that? I'm gonna put a little bit on the back. I don't think I'm gonna wear this one up, but just in case I do, I'm gonna cut my lace off, starting at this stitch right here. Cut. Put this on really quick with the lace still on so I can see how it's fitting. Let me take off these adjustable straps. I was gonna get a concussion. I can't be falling out at the party around them people. They're gonna think I got a problem. The elastic band is adjustable, but for big kid girls, not by much. I know you're not that small, Janet. Matter of fact, let me just take this off. Just follow the hairline. Cut that one. Let's see how the hair responds to any type of tangles. Okay, I can feel a track right there, so I gotta make sure I brush that over. It feels a little thin up here. Let me brush this back. Maybe I didn't brush the hair right. There we go. I was like, wait a minute. Let me use my blow dryer. I don't see anything about heat safe. This is a Human Hair Prime UNIMIX though. That's Human Hair Blend. Is that what that means? Okay, up to 400 degrees. There we go. I'm gonna use it on high and hot and just flatten this down really quick. I got some shedding with the hair. I could have cut into the unit a little bit. I don't know. Let me scooch up. I'm gonna use my hairspray to lift this bang a little bit because it's just a little bit too flat on my face. Let's do this one. There we go. These clips kind of fell. Move that over. Okay. Although I can't put the back of my cap down, it's, you know, it's covered by the wig, so I'm not gonna stress out too much about it. And I can't even blame it on the elastic band because I loosened it up. My kitchen is out. Brush out the rest of the hair. I don't necessarily need it, but the way my bang is sitting, it's looking a little off. So I'm gonna use the same creamy bronze that I use to tint my lace. Little product right there. I'm gonna use some of my dry shampoo on this hair because it is a little shiny. Kind of dull that down a little bit. Brush that in. Okay, so here is the final look for this one. This wig kind of grew on me. Putting it behind the ear and bringing it forward like this, it works. Now some of y'all may be like, no girl, no, because you're not used to me looking like this. But understand what I like about a wig, you may not like. Now the color I feel like is still a little bit too dark, but I got a number 2. So we're gonna see how that one looks in a second. Honestly, I don't really feel like you need the lace around the rest of the wig. I mean, for the up style, okay, but it's not like it's like giving baby hair natural look back there anyway. I could pretty much do an upstyle with this unit even if I didn't have the 360 lace. Okay, these wigs are about $40.
$40.
I mean, $40 for a lace front wig, you know, you can make it work. I see why you doing what you're doing. I'm just saying, you know, you probably didn't have to. But that's pretty much all I got for this one. Let's do the next one. Okay, so here we go with look number 2. This is the unit Cero, C-E-R-O. I got it in the color number 2. And if you can't already tell, I like this one more than I like the first one. The color number 2 matches my hue. This is how the hair looks out the pack. And then this is how it looks styled up. See how they got her hairline back there? Her head doesn't look as big as mine. But y'all know me, I'm gonna finagle a look. My sides are out a little bit right there. And then for the back, I just pulled it down to give it some slack and let it rest on my nape. No bobby pins, it's just resting. I did get a little bit of tangling and shedding, but not as much as the first one, which was, I'm about to say Juju. That's Princess and the Frog. Juju! Not as much as FUJU. So Cero is, you know, definitely giving the looks. Let's go to the next one. This is Domi, D-O-M-I. I got her in the color DR Mocha, so dark root mocha. So out the 3, this is my favorite color and favorite texture. It has some yak. I did go in and add a little bit more layers right here in the front because the bang was it was throwing me off with how it looked with the straight pieces. See right here on the card, it goes right from bang to straight. It looks good in the ponytail and the updo, but as far as, you know, wearing it out, it looks a little kitcheny. I tried to do like a little half up, half down style, but I wasn't liking the way it was looking. It was giving me like throwback to the 80s because of the color and then the bang and then the updo. It was a lot going on. I barely got any tangles with this one. However, I did get shedding. Most of the time when you get a specialty color, it does shed. So, you know, be mindful of that. It still doesn't have as much shedding as the first one. So FUJU. I mean, again, bangs are not really my thing, but I'm never, ever letting the wig go to waste. I'm gonna style it for me. That's what I did with these 3 bars. Y'all tell me though which one you like the best out of all 3 of these. Shout out one more time to Jen Collection for sending me these units. I really appreciate it. I will put some direct links for these units down below, so if you guys want to check them out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.